This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coding. In its 2020 year-end executive summary, the Powder Coating Institute noted the major drivers of the powder coatings market growth are GDP, industrial production, construction spending, and automotive production. These drivers are similar to the liquid coatings market. There are over 42,000 powder coating shops globally. The total revenue of the powder coating job shops is estimated to be $14.3 billion. Within North America, there are an estimated 6,300 powder job shop coaters with a revenue of $1.7 billion. In addition to the job shop powder coaters, there are job shop coaters that apply liquid coatings. It is estimated that there are over 63,000 liquid coaters globally. And from that, between 10 and 20% of the job shop coaters apply both powder and liquid. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.